Welcome back to my YouTube channel mga kaibigan. Good evening. Kamusta mga kaibigan? Aking mga supporter, kamusta na kayo? Belated Happy Mother's Day to all mga nanay. Ayan, magmukbang tayo mga kaibigan. Ang ating imumukbang ngayon, ito na namang apple mango. Mayroon tayong bagoong mga kaibigan, maanghang. May sili. At saka mayroong onion, at saka kamatis, sibuyas dahon. At saka sili. Ayan. Before tayo mag-start mga kaibigan, mag-pray muna tayo. Salamat muna tayo sa
How are you?
Ayan. Kain na tayo mga kaibigan. Yum, yum.
Okay, anyways. This one. Our grammar, right? Decide on. So, I will read the sentence. I've decided on the sneakers. I want the colorful ones. Do you have sneakers? Do you have sneakers, Martin? She has decided on a healthy lifestyle. So, what must you decide on if you want to lose weight? So, I decided on exercising every day so that I can lose weight and eat healthy foods, right? Eat a balanced diet. I decided on eating a balanced diet and also exercising every day. Okay? Let's read.
4 ka piraso mangga to mga kaibigan. Yung mga buto.
Okay, hello class. I want to tell you about my grandpa and the heart problem. I hope that this way I can help you decide on making the right health choices. Just like my grandpa always says, if you look after your heart will look after you. In the grammar, that is phrasal verb decide on. So decide on means to choose something or someone after thinking carefully. For example, have you decided on a date for the
Sobrang
wedding?
anghang.
You understand this question, Martin?
Minoma.
Hello. Kanina utak. This was Curtis Lee want to tell everyone about his grandpa's health problem. Why? No, Martin. That is just an example sentence. If you decided on. Uy. It's the example sentence. Now. No? No, oh my god. No, I don't have. Okay, Now, why does Timmy want to tell everyone about his mental health problem?
Yes, good evening. Oh my god. I didn't notice the time. I forgot to bring my phone. Okay, good evening. How are you?
Good lucky.
Okay. So, someone is taking a video here. So, I cannot, louder my phone. So, I'm just going to adjust my microphone. Okay. Did you eat your dinner tonight? What did you eat tonight? I have pizza. Sir, go on. What did you eat? Oh, tomato. Red tomato.
What is your answer?
How is the taste of the red one? I don't like to eat the red tomato.
So that it can help, or maybe it can help them.
Tastes great.
First,
So anyway, let's start the class now. Let's have the activity below. Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the word.
Wait.
Yeah. Start with nothing.
Yung kaibigan, hindi na natin maubos to kasi lalaki nila. Ang dami. Ang dami.
The black one travel magazine.
Ayan. Aki palang pasalamatan at ang nagbibigay dito sa
Landscape.
aking mumukbang ngayon.
Or
Si Ate Bagumbay. Sinya Bagumbay. Thank you so much sa imote. Sa mangga mo nga binigay sa akin. Ayan. Thank you for watching mga kaibigan. Please like, follow, and share, and subscribe. Sa hindi pa po nakasuporta sa akin, pakisupport po sa akin mga kaibigan. Thank you. I love you all. Bye-bye.